everyone. Here is the new paper pattern of board exam. That is changes in question paper pattern of class 10 CBSE 2020 and 2021 year. First subject mathematics code 041. We have earlier 4 sections, section A to D. But in this year paper pattern only 2 parts, part A and part B. In part A, question number 1 to 16 is of 1 mark question, total 16 questions. And next is 4 mark question, that is 4 questions of 4 mark. Question number 17 to 20. That questions are of case study. That means a diagram will give and the respective questions are asked. You have to answer it. 5 questions will give and out of that 4 is compulsory to answer. Next part B, that is of 6 questions of 2 marks and next 7 questions of 3 mark and 3 questions of 5 mark. Total 80 mark paper. Next is science, code is 086. Previous pattern consists of 3 sections, section A, B and C. But in this new pattern we have 4 sections A, B, C, D. Section A is of 1 mark questions, 20 questions, each carries 1 mark. Section B is of 2 mark questions, there are total 6 questions. And section C contains 3 marks, there are 7 questions in this section. And the last section, that is section D, contains 3 questions, each carries 5 marks. Total 80 marks paper. Next subject English, code 184. In the previous pattern we had 3 sections, section A, B and C. And you know that literature is included in section C only. But in this new pattern we have only 2 sections, section A and B. And literature is included in both the sections. In this pattern, section A, reading passage is given for question 1 and 2 and question 3 and 4 is literature, passages from literature, that is questions of MCQ based on both the literature and supplementary. Next, grammar section, that is from question 6 and 7. Earlier we had the same only. Next, section B, writing part is given for question 8 and 9 and descriptive questions from the literature is given in 10 to 13 questions. Next is social studies, code 087. Previous pattern we had only 3 sections, section A, B and C. But in the new paper pattern contains 5 sections, section A to E. First section A contains 1 mark questions, total 16 questions. And section B contains 3 mark questions, total 6 questions of 3 mark. Question number 17 to 22. Section C contains question number 23 to 26, each carries 4 mark. That is 4 questions of 4 mark will be there in section C. Section D contains 5 questions of 5 marks. And section E is map pointing question, that is 5 marks. Earlier it was 6 mark question, now it came 1 mark reduced, 5 mark question. Under 2 sections, history and geography, there is only 1 question. Next, Hindi Code 85. Previous pattern contains 4 sections A to ABCD, but in the new pattern contains only 2 sections A and B. Just like English, literature is included in both section A and section B. You will get more updates of exams in this channel. Like, subscribe and share.